22 long, short, long, and long rifle. The Silver Eagle. We're going to shoot it at 100 yards and see how it does. Looking down the barrel. Looking down this way. It's factory engraved. The Silver Eagle model. And it's got the carbine stock on it also. And it loads like a Winchester. As you know, I have a lot of Winchesters. I don't know how this is going to shoot at 100 yards at all. I can even see the sights. Very smooth action. We'll shoot on the ground there, if that red's one, to see where I'm hitting. I guess I must be hitting the target, I guess. You want to shoot this one, Troy?
I'm good.
Okay.
I got one. I was just thinking, my yellow boy is a 22, but it's a Winchester Magnum.
Old 22 Magnum.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the yellow boy, except this one's not yellow. This one is nickel plated, or nickel. The Silver Eagle factory engraved 22 short, long, and long rifle. Henry repeating arms by owned and made in USA. There we go. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe.